Morning, everybody. This is Aaron, and we are going to talk about painting.
So Eric asked us last week to paint everything in the warehouse that was made of wood. We had some downtime, it was a slow week, good timing. So the first thing we painted was our skateboards. These are the term we use for them anytime we talk in the warehouse about skateboards. This is what we're talking about.
Those hold our bins.
Yes, we use these to transport all of our bins full and empty. So we painted these, allowing them to hold up a little longer, and red and orange are the colors of the company, but another perk about this, these are on the floor at all times. So the fact that these are a little bit more noticeable now makes them a little safer.
These belong to Michael. These are the ones that go underneath the conveyors and hold all of our shrink wrap, and these are green.
So I believe you've seen these before in past videos. We made this to hold all of our edge pieces and cardboard pieces for the skids. We call this the dog coop.
Dog pen.
Dog pen, I'm sorry. Painted this orange, looks a whole lot better. Over here holds both of our charging units for our forklifts. Painted this orange, looks a lot better. We call this one the chicken coop. This piece here, we've always kept a bin full of vinyl waiting to be loaded. Painted this orange, looks a lot cooler, a lot more noticeable. We call this one the dinner plate.
That has no name, but it's orange. We also painted all of the conveyor tables. The other ones are orange. This one's red because red. That's aesthetically pleasing.
So we have about 20 of these carts. We painted all of these orange. Took a couple layers, a couple coats, but they all look really cool when they
It took more than a couple, man.
Yeah.
That looks awesome. And the boxing table for the bagging line. We'll paint all the other boxing tables, but we need them today, so we can't do it. We'll wait till we're slow again in like a year. And here's the feeder table for the bagging line, also orange. Pumpkin patch orange.
Seasonal, festive, basic.
Basic. We already showed you guys these. We made a movie about them. But since we're on the subject of painting, here's our redux. Fernie on our bookcases. I love those. That's the coolest. Vanna White, thank you.